Hi everyone, it's Kelson. It's my second day here in Hong Kong, so get just with me. Okay, so today is Disneyland Day. Sobrang excited ko kasi we are finally going back for the second time. And kaya ko to nilook forward because the last time we went there, way back 2019, that was pre-pandemic, under construction yung castle, so hindi ko siya nakita ever. Anyway, nakapagkulot na pala ako. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung accessories ko. So I have this ring, have a bracelet, my watch, earrings, and necklace of course. And by the way, I am traveling solo for the first time also dito sa first out of the country, which is yun nga, Hong Kong. Ang color ko pala today ay red and black. I'll be wearing a skirt, pero magta-thermal pa rin ako kasi as a lamigin person, hindi ko kaya mahanginan lang. December na, pero hindi pa siya ganun kalamig, but malamig na, lalo kapag hangin and paggabi. So, kailangan nyo pa rin ng cover up if lamigin kayo. By the way, itong skirt pala, actually lahat naman na to, nabili ko lang sa Shopee. As a Shopee girl. Ayan, suot ko na rin yung thermal ko para in case lamigin. And then this one, I got this from TikTok shop. Sobrang ganda niya. Actually, palati na ito dumadaan sa FYP ko. This is from Yato, I believe. Very quality. So, you really get what you pay for. Sobrang ganda ng quality nito, guys. Para siyang mall quality. Mga Zara, ganun. Marami tong colors. But I only got the maroon one. Ay. Ang cute ko. We can do it like this. Pero I think I prefer it closed. There. Ayan na. Tapos na, guys. Shoes. So, this is the pair of shoes that I'll be wearing, yung New Balance ko, which I got from Japan. Ito talaga, guys, yung 20k plus steps, kayang-kaya na ito, hindi sasakad yung paa nyo. Alam nyo, kaya rin nilo-look forward kung bumalik ng Disneyland. Dami kasi nagsabi na, well, di naman, mga dalawa. Dami nagtanong na kung bakit babalik pa ako ng Disneyland. And nakapunta naman na ako doon. Iba kasi yung feeling mag-Disneyland. Parang hindi kompleto. For me lang naman. Parang hindi kompleto yung Hong Kong trip without Disneyland. Or maybe because I haven't really seen and experienced yung castle. Kaya ganun yung nafe-feel ko. Kaya ayun, babalikan natin siya. Saka guys, yung nag-Disneyland ako nung 2019, sobrang tipid nun as in. So, kumakain kami gabi na. Tapos, hindi talaga kami nakakain ng maayos dun sa Disneyland mismo. So, this time, nag-avail ako ng meal voucher. Small wins. Basta lahat ng vlogs ko about Hong Kong, punta kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Anyway, this is the fit. Itong bag pa rin yung gagamitin ko from Bag Smart since I have a lot of stuff. Lahat ng camera ko dala ko. So, kasya lahat yan. Cute pa rin naman. And my Labubu and my Powerpuff Girl. Yeah, let's go to Disneyland.